Morning to all. Myself Anjali from 10th standard. Myself Rajeshwari from 10th standard. We are from Matampalli school. Today we have came here with a project energy conservation through sewage treatment plant. This is our project which is useful for us not only now in future too. Energy is very important in our daily life as energy is our backbone for any production activity. Any production activity cannot operate without energy as it is acceptable process and development. Non-renewable resources are depleting, so renewable resources we should conserve them. Here by the sewage too we can produce energy. So the sewage is nothing but the waste material which can be produced by human excreta and municipal waste. So the sewage water is going to disposal on river water. So it becomes polluted. By reducing the pollution of water, we can done a project that is the energy conservation through sewage treatment plant. There are several steps in sewage treatment plant. My friend Anjali wants to go to explain. In sewage, there are so many harmful organisms. To purify them, and then we should dispose it to rivers. There are so many steps. First step, the sewage water is collected into this tank, receiving tank. From this tank, the water moves to the next tank. This is grit chamber. In this grit chamber, the mess helps to remain all the dust particles like leaves, pebbles, stones, and the remaining water moves to the next chamber. This is sedimentation chamber. In this sedimentation chamber, only the dust particles like sand will remain here. After some time, the sludge will settle down. This sludge will move to this chamber. This is known as digester. Here, anaerobic respiration will go on so that the bacteria produces some gas, and the gas will be stored in this chamber, which is known as gas holder. And by this biogas, there are so many uses for household and domestic uses. The remaining water will move to next chamber. The remaining water goes to this chamber. This chamber is called as aeration tank. In aeration tank, the aerobic bacteria will grow and it consumes the fecal and organic material which is harmful to us. In aeration tank, the water is purified with chlorination process. The water goes into water bodies. Before going to water bodies, we can produce electric hydro energy by using energy production plant. Yes, this is our project. We hope that by this sewage treatment plant, we can treat the water, and as well as produce energy which is useful for our emerging population. Thank you.
మీకు గనుక ఈ వీడియో నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి మరియు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి.